All right, guys. Now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to put a picture here, like a circle picture, right? And then from there, we're going to have some information like the type of skills that this person might know. I mean, for you guys, right? And then from there, we're going to create like a page here where we're going to have like a paragraph, a description, maybe some social media accounts. And yeah, so let's get started. So let's go into it. Let's go into this page. Okay, we have the name. All right, down here we can have a div class. Let's say user image. Okay, close that up. Put that in one line. Then from there, we're going to have a div class. Let's say user skills. Okay. User skills. And then we're going to have inside of here, let's say skill. So let's say Angular. And just copy a couple of them like that. Say Angular, React, Polymer, Laravel, and let's copy a couple of more. So we got Polymer, Node, and let's say Ruby on Rails. All right. Now the next thing that we need is a user image. So let's say UI faces. Okay. Let's click on the diverse UI. Okay, because they have actually more pictures of different people. So I don't know. Who should we pick? Let's just pick this guy, right? Seems like a cool dude. Inspect element. I don't want to download it, to be honest with you. I don't mind just getting the CDN. If you guys want to download it, it's up to you. Me personally, I don't want to download it. Okay, so then from there, let's come back here. Let's go into our styles. Okay, we got a user profile. We got the name. Then we have, what was it? User image. Put this here. Oops. Background, URL. Paste that in. Then from there, we're going to say, what's the background, size, cover, background position, center. Okay, then we're going to say background repeat, no repeat. Okay, then we're going to make this like a perfect square. So let's say width 150 pixels, height 150 pixels. Then if we want to make a perfect circle, then we want to make sure that border radius is 50%. Okay, save that. All right, there we go. So we got that little circle. Now let's put in a, let's say border. Let's say border. You know what? Let's do this. Let's say, where is it? For the user image, let's put it inside of a container. So let's say div class, say border image, and then inside of it user image. Okay, so now we're gonna say border image. Okay, we can do it like that. Okay, border image. We're gonna say something like, let's say display flex, justify content center, align items center. Okay, let's say padding 25 pixels all around. All right, now let's refresh this. It might be something that's breaking. Okay, so let's see what's the issue on the width. Okay, so where is it? Width, border. Okay, save that. See if it goes through. Okay, so let's see. I mean, currently it's like that, but that's not what we want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put here border, and then I'm going to say, I think it's dash, border dash, 2 pixels solid, no, 2 pixels white. I think that's the syntax. Let me make sure. Let me see, where is it? Okay. See, is this border solid, 2 pixels? Okay, so it is solid, but I can't remember border dash CSS. I can't remember. What was it? Let's see. So this dotted. Okay, dashed. So I was missing the ed. So it's border dashed, 2 pixels all around. Okay. Now that looks okay, but it's not great. So let's copy this. Okay. Paste this in here with like that. 150. For this one, we're gonna put it at 120. The actual image, because what I want is a circle around the image. Now we're gonna come here. We're gonna say border radius 50%. Save that. Okay, let this load. Now let's see what's going on. I think it's the size. So width 120, height 120. Save. It should become a circle inside. I don't know why it's looking like an egg. So let's inspect this element. Okay, so this is supposed to be 120. Let's say this is, it might be because of the padding. So let me remove this padding around. Okay, let me see. All right, so it was the padding. Okay, so we do have exactly what I wanted. I might make this 1 pixels. Okay, and then to make this centered, let's try doing margin 0 auto. Okay, and there we go. So right there, that's actually centered. Cool. Now the next thing that we want to do, I want to, instead of having the color of white, give me a second. Let's take this out. I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller. Okay, because I have this window that's huge, so I just gotta make it smaller. Now come here, instead of that color, we're gonna make it this color. Okay, there you go. I mean, that seems right, but now it's too thin, so we gotta make it a little bit thicker. Okay, so there you go. So it's like the little subtle things in there. Okay, we might make it 3 pixels. Save that. Okay, cool. Now the next thing that we're going to do, we're going to come into all of the skills that are here. Let's come here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna make them like little tags. So say user skills. Okay, come down here, user skills, and make this, let's say, we could leave that blank for now. Let's focus on the tags. So let's say skill, and we're gonna make them, what color should I make it? For now, let's just make it black. So let's say background black, color white. Let's say font weight 300. Then from there, we're gonna say font size 0.8 rem. Okay, save that. Then we're gonna say border radius, let's say 4 pixels. Okay, let's say padding 5 pixels on top, 15 pixels left and right. Save that. Let's see how that looks. Okay, now that's fine. Next thing, let's try making this display flex. Okay, let this load. Now technically it's going all over the place. Now let's see. So there's things that are going over. Now we don't want that to happen. Let's say width 100%. Save that. Let's see. Now, technically, kind of don't want it to look like this, so I'm gonna remove this display flex. And what I'm going to do is I'm gonna make this display inline block. Let me see something. Okay, so this is technically what I want. So now I'm gonna come here, user skills. I'm gonna say padding 0. No, padding. Let's say 20 pixels, and then 20. Yeah, 20 pixels left and right. Let's see how that looks. Okay. And then we're gonna come here, and what we're going to do is on the skills, we want to make sure there's a margin bottom of 10 pixels. Okay. Then here we're going to say text align center. Okay. There we go. Now it's looking good. Okay. Now the next thing that I want to do, we're going to put in like a title. So come here. Let's say user skills. Okay. Okay, user skills. All right, different, Let's put in title. And let's say skills. Save that. Come back here and I'm going to put in outside of this, I'm going to put it in title and say font size 1.2 rem, font weight, let's say 600. I don't even know what are the ones that we have available. We have 100, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. Okay, so 600 is fine. Then from there we're gonna say color white. Save that. See how that looks. Okay, we're gonna say margin, let's say 20 pixels on top, 0 left and right, 40 pixels at the bottom. That's a little bit too much, so let's say remove this 40 pixels and just put in 20 pixels. What happened here? Okay, so it broke because of this. So save that. Try it again. And there we go. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some good old animations to this. So let's try to do that right now. Okay, and I think I'm gonna change it from black. I'm gonna change it to another color. Okay, so let's do this. Come down here for the skills. What we're gonna do is we're gonna say when the skills are being hovered, right? So when those divs are hovered, we're going to make the color to be, it's like a bluish color. Okay, and then the background is going to be white. Okay, now we're also going to change the background of this. Instead of black, we're gonna make it like this, which is like a light purplish. So we could stick with, you know, the same. See, there you go. Nice. Now we got to make it smooth. So to do this, we're going to come here and say transition. Okay, transition. What is it? 1 point. No. I forgot. It's transition all. 1 point or 0.4 ease in and out. Sometimes it's hard to remember like every single part of CSS, but I try my best, right? Okay, also too, we're gonna put in a cursor of a pointer. So when we hover on top of it, it becomes the little hand. Okay, so right now it's like that, and there you go. Okay, so let's see. Now let me inspect this real quick. Okay, and click on hover. Now there's something wrong with this. Okay, transition might be, let me see, transition all. Oh, it's missing the seconds. So for 0.4 seconds ease in and out. You know, human mistakes, guys, and it's fine. Okay, there you go. So it looks good, right? Looks nice and clean. Okay, now it takes a little bit too long, so let's say 0.3. Okay, come back here. Okay, now that's a little bit smoother. Now I think I'm gonna make it a little bit thicker. So let me see, padding, where is it? Let's say 10 pixels. Come back here. I don't know, it's up to you guys. I think I'm gonna make it a little bit thinner. So it's up to you guys. You guys can fix it however you want it, however you see it fit. I think at 7 pixels is fine. So yeah, I'm wondering why it's not going to it's not showing up as a cursor. So let me copy this, put this here. Might be because of the text. So it is what it is. All right, now the next thing I want to put in here, I want to put in like another title. So I want to say, instead of the skills, let me go down here. I got skills, right? And let's see, copy this thing here, and I'm gonna put this here. Let's say position, user position. Okay, gonna come back up here. Oops. So user position, I'm gonna put in full stack developer. Save that. Style.css. Okay. Now let me see. User image, user title, user skill, hover. Let me see, where is it? So we got skills, title. Here I'm gonna change this to, let me see, user position. So I'm gonna copy what we have here. I'm gonna put in user position. Okay, I'm gonna make this to be 500. This a little bit bigger, 0.4. Okay, save that. All right. Now let's say text align centered. Save that. Okay, I'm gonna remove the margin at the bottom for this. Okay. All right, so we got Joe Santos Garcia, full stack developer. I think this is too thick. So put this at 5, put this one at 400. Okay, yeah, I think that's better. Alright guys, if you enjoy this type of courses and this type of tutorials, go visit my website, codingphase.com. You get access to over 30 courses. Guys, literally is the best way to support me and support what I do here, either on 24/7 Codeblock or codingphase.com. Literally, this is the place to support. Okay, so if you want to get more content like this and you enjoy this, come support me. You know, sign up for a monthly, a yearly plan, a lifetime plan, you know, and if you use the link in the description, you get, you know, always a discount. So make sure you support. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.